Good morning from Mountain Boatworks on Monday, June 23rd. Here is a 1957 Century Palomino. Mountain Boatworks seems to be quickly becoming the home of the Palomino. We've just finished a complete restoration of the hull, the upholstery. The boat's owner had already had all of the hardware replated. This is a upholstery kit from A&A Marine. She really came out beautifully. The Palomino has such rather incredible lines, I think. And in this case, the bleaching of the Avodire just produced a wonderful, wonderful result. So in a few days, maybe by next weekend, she will be back in Connecticut, ready to have her engine installed. And from that point on, her owner is going to be able to enjoy her, I believe, on Lake Winnipesaukee for the most part. But she really came out well. We thought you'd enjoy just a brief look at her before she goes home. Thank you very much from Mountain Boatworks. Bye-bye.